Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, a module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. Modules allow you to organize your code into reusable and maintainable components. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a simple Python module with a code example. Start by creating a new Python file for your module. You can use any text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, of your choice. Let's name our module my_module.py. In this example, we've defined a function greet that takes a name parameter and returns a greeting message. Now that we have our module, let's create another Python script to use the functionality provided by the module. Create a new file, let's call it main_script.py. In this script, we import our my_module and use the greet function to generate a greeting message for the name John. To see the module in action, run the main_script.py script. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory containing both my_module.py and main_script.py. Then, run the following command. You should see the output. This demonstrates how you can create a module and use its functionality in other Python scripts. You can expand your module by adding more functions or variables. Let's modify my_module.py to include another function. Now, you can use the new function add_numbers in your main_script.py. Running the script again should produce the following output. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python module and utilized its functions in another script. This modular approach enhances code organization and reusability in your projects. ChatGPT